Growth mindset. Growth mindset. What is growth mindset? Growth mindset is open mindedness, ready to learn, ready to try new things, ready to accept the failure, ready to change that failure into success. All that energy, all that tryingness, all that efforts are a growth mindset. Have you seen any tree? How it grows? It grows from a seed. The seed gets one stem, then it gets branches slowly. Then one branch becomes it have two branch, then these two have a two branch, then these two have a two branch. In the same way, our brain actually grows by growing dendrites to the neuron. Knowledge has come, this neuron is sending the information to another neuron. This neuron is having a dendrites. These dendrites are becoming more and more divided and they are growing. So actually, when we learn something new, our brain is little bit swollen. Not actually swollen, I should say like turbid. So why? Because these dendrites have increased the volume of the brain. Growth mindset is actually improving the branching of the neurons. And remember, your intelligence depends on how much your brain is having more and more branches. Because whatever knowledge you have, whatever wisdom you do have, that will decide the quality of your life and success of your life and also the success in your studies. So always remember, if you are not good at something, always tell yourself, I am not good at it yet. Because this will allow you to change the fixed mindset. Your fixed mindset says you are bad at math. So your growth mindset says, earlier I used to feel that math is difficult, yet I am not perfect in maths, but soon I will recover that or I will learn better. So this growth mindset is very important. Always remember, growth mindset is the only way to improve the success in life and in our academics. For that, I will give you a very simple technique and you must have heard about it. That is a mind mapping. What we do in mind mapping, we take a plain paper, we use different colors and we use at the center, we write the most important theme about our study. And then we do the branching of that, the detailing of that. And when we do all kind of detailing, when we see at a glance, our brain tries to actually collect the data which is very important for that subject. This is called a clustering. Brain can learn in a clustering. So your subconscious mind, even if you are not working, if you are not studying, if you are sleeping even, the subconscious mind is working for your studies. Take the advantage of that. For that, you must be having the growth mindset, and using a mind map is the best way to grow in our studies. So stay tuned, sending you positive vibes, and you will come to know how to become more confident in next video.